cooking school at no cost. America's Test Kitchen is brought to you by the following: Fisher and Paykel. Since 1934, Fisher and Paykel has been designing a wide range of kitchen appliances, including built-in ovens, cooktops, ranges, refrigerators, and dish drawer dishwashers. Our passion is turning everyday cooking experiences into culinary creations. Cook to create. Learn more at FisherPaykel.com.
Honey oat granola, gluten-free pancake mix, gluten-free pizza crust mix. I'm Bob Moore, founder of Bob's Red Mill, and that's me on every package. Oh, extra thick rolled oats, corn grits, cornmeal, lentils, buttermilk pancake mix.
America's Test Kitchen is proudly sponsored by Kohler. We design innovative sinks and faucets for people who do their best work in the kitchen.
And by Simatic, the art of kitchen interior design, inspired by your lifestyle. Simatic. Farm fresh ingredients, step-by-step recipes, delivered to your door. Learn more at BlueApron.com. And by Holland America Line.